So, in no relation to my last video,
Okay, I'm fairly sure that I clogged up my drain.
I now need to unclog my drain. Normally, my solution to this problem would be to just not do anything about it and wait for it to go away, but now it's getting to the point where I need to actually clean my sink of residue, so I guess I should probably clean it. To solve this problem, I turned to the Broke Cleaner's ultimate tool, baking soda. But since I have so much time on my hands, for no particular reason, I'm going to take the time to show you not just one, not two, but 3 uses for this stuff. It also gives me an excuse to finally clean my drain. Let's begin, shall we? To clean your drain with baking soda, you'll need 2 other ingredients. Some vinegar. I recommend white vinegar, not balsamic unless you want your house to smell like a bad Italian restaurant, and some freshly boiled water. Firstly, take about half of the boiled water and pour it down the clogged sink to get everything nice and loosened up. Make sure to continue to boil the water while you're not using it so it stays hot. Once the water is drained, pour in about 2 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda into the sink. Now pour a roughly equal amount of vinegar into the sink and watch as your 3rd grade science class finally becomes actually useful for once. If there's still some baking soda left in the basin, pour some more in until it's all gone. Let this chemical reaction fully drain. Once the reaction is gone, pour in the rest of your boiling water. What the fuck? What the hell is that? Is that what's been stuck in my sink? Jesus, I knew I was neglectful in my plumbing, but I didn't think it was this bad. Let it drain, I guess? Okay, let's see if this works. Shit. Okay, this may take a couple tries. So off camera, I tried moving the drain up and down, and yeah. That's coming out of the damage deposit. Wait, what the hell is that? Did I anger some kind of eldritch sewer god or something? What's going on here? Not gonna lie, kinda scared. What have I done to my apartment's plumbing? Alright, take 2. Please, God, may this work. And wouldn't you know it, my prayers have been answered. Let this be evidence that even if you completely neglect your sink like me, this method actually unclogs it pretty well. Now, let's put this behind us and move on to something else. I don't want to look at this drain anymore. Here I have my latest attempt at rice, and, well, it went about as well as I expected. These nasty-ass stains and burn marks are really tough to get out, so, therefore, we turn to baking soda. To get rid of stuff like this, pour a bit of baking soda into whatever you need to clean along with some dish soap. Let the aftermath of your latest culinary creation soak for a few hours or overnight, depending on the severity. After the allotted amount of time, begin cleaning away. As you can see, this has been wildly effective in loosening everything up. And now in case you're wondering, yes, this feels as gross as it looks. Ugh. Once soaked, you can finally start cleaning away. You may have to soak the item multiple times or put more baking soda in to clean it fully. But after a while, this pot is now burnt rice free and clean until it has to bear the brunt of my next culinary Frankenstein. I give it about a day. Over this last month, I made sourdough bread, and to do that, I need a starter composed of wild yeast. This is the, aftermath. To relieve this ungodly stench, pour some baking soda into whatever you need to de-stinkify, close it up, and leave it overnight. "24 hours later, give the jar a nice cleaning and get rid of the baking soda and any other muck. Not only is this jar now much cleaner, but it's now totally free of that nasty yeast smell. It also helps with getting rid of smells from spaces and other various containers like garbage cans. I use it all the time. May your life now be stink-free." So I hope you find this little tutorial useful. Not gonna lie, I really just made this video to encourage myself to finally clean my sink. But regardless, now you know you don't really need to go out and buy a bunch of fancy cleaning products to solve some of your problems. The solution, instead, is right in your pantry. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.